So in the last video, we told you guys to comment below your guesses what we got this thing for off of Insurance Auto Auctions IAA. So I'll tell you guys here in this video, but first we're gonna start cleaning in the interior of the truck. We're gonna probably take out the seats, the carpets. I think we're gonna take out everything just to get everything washed. The parts are ordered for this front end, mostly everything. They should be here any day now. We also wanna hear what you guys want us to do to this thing. What kind of modifications possibly, maybe add something here and there, you know, I don't know. Write your comments below what you guys wanna see us do with this thing, and maybe we'll do it. I don't know, you guys seen the wheels, maybe change the wheels. I don't know if we'll do that or not, but still, maybe write your suggestions below. So here are the wheels and what they look like. They're pretty clean. I kind of like them. They're powder coated. Somebody sandblasted and powder coated them. They look really nice. Just plain black basically. So, but I don't know, maybe should we change them? Should we get something else? The headlights, I don't really like the shiny white chrome there, so maybe change that. Let us know below what you guys. That door, look at that, it's so windy outside. Pop that door open, gotta go close it. So also the grille is gonna be chrome here, and then the bumper is gonna be just like a primered black. We were thinking possibly maybe wrap that in like a glossy black. So without the chrome, get rid of the chrome. Also the bumper, possibly if we could find a wrap that's really close to this purple color, which is hard to see right now. There, that purple right there. If we find a wrap that color, I wanted to wrap possibly the front bumper. Also get rid of this chrome bumper and just take this plastic piece off and wrap it the same color as the truck, or maybe just a black, glossy black. But yeah, let us know and let's get to work. carpet out of the whole truck. Pretty dirty, which will get cleaned, but I did notice it is ripped right here. So, I mean, that shouldn't be a huge deal. You could just tuck it in. Nothing that we need to replace a carpet. I will look for a new carpet. Maybe there's one for cheap, but highly doubt. I'll probably just clean this up, and I'm going to show you guys. We got a machine that's like a sucking vacuum cleaner washer. You guys will see here in a moment, but I hope it cleans up. We haven't tried it yet. Parts are here for the Tacoma right there. So let's check out this bumper. Let's see. Here it is. Technically you don't even have to paint this bumper because they're like has this primed black color look. So yeah, not too bad. And let's check out the grill. And there's the grill. So it's like even painted inside. It's like glossy. Like I said earlier, I don't know if I want to keep the chrome, honestly. I might wrap this whole thing gloss black. Okay, so we got something else that came in today. Okay, so these are the corner lights that came in. Let's take a look at them because I was kind of iffy about them. Hopefully they look good in person. So let's take a look at it. Okay. They're not too bad. Look at that. Yo, they're actually, what we saw when they were selling them was different than what it looks like here, and I'm actually happy because the other ones, they look like really smoked, even though these are like smoked, but it more looks like tinted than smoked. The headlights are still coming in, but I believe they're gonna match, hopefully they're gonna match this right here. Okay, so all loaded here with better lighting. You guys could see, I mean, the carpet's underneath there, it's pretty dirty, but the seats, as you can see, this is what it is before we clean it, and we're gonna see how it looks after we clean it. So we're gonna go clean it right now. These are the back seats, they're kind of dirty, so here we go. Here's this thing, extractor, or I don't know the official name for it, but it sprays here and then sucks it from here. So we'll see, we'll give it a shot. I don't know what the ratio is supposed to be like, but we're just gonna eyeball it. Let's try that for now. Here's that seat. I might go over it with it again. It's not too bad, but maybe one more time. And then here's this seat, and I'm not gonna do a time lapse on this seat, just gonna show you guys before and after, and then I'm gonna do a time lapse on that carpet because that carpet is really dirty and I want to see how it will turn out. I wanted to show you guys the difference. So here's the clean side and here's the dirty side. See this line right here? Okay, so here's the finished seat. Looks pretty good. Here's the driver's seat. Looks pretty good. And let's move on here to the main event. You guys know we bought this truck on IAI.com, so it's Insurance Auto Auctions. You could go bid on cars. This is where we got this truck. It was buy it now. If you guys want to go to the last video, you guys will see an example of how to do it. But if you guys want a project for yourself, go to IAI.com and find yourself a project. In the last video, I did say we'll tell you guys what we got this thing for. So the winning bid for this thing was $1,750. So $1,750. Seems a little too much, to be honest. But the condition this thing in and the hit is not bad whatsoever. Yeah, the miles are a little too high, but it's a Toyota truck. They last forever. I know somebody that put on about 400,000 on a Toyota truck, so not too worried having a little over 200,000 miles on it. So it's gonna be a nice little parts getter truck. It's the end to this video. Next video, we're gonna put the interior together. The carpet is still drying, so I don't want to rush it. I want it all dry because I don't want it all rust the bottom of that truck. Next video, we're gonna start putting it together, and we got, as you guys seen, we got most of the parts here already, so we don't have to worry about waiting on for parts other than the headlights are still coming. You guys will see in the next video. So as usual, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.